Welcome to the tutorial on how to configure the basic options of the ASCII module within PageGate. In this tutorial, we'll be going over what the ASCII module is, how it works, and how to configure the basic options. Before we begin the configuration, let me first explain what the ASCII module is and how it works. The ASCII module is a part of PageGate that can monitor a directory or series of directories for ASCII text output. For example, if you're integrating with a server monitoring utility or a nursing station call system, these types of programs have the ability to write a text file to a directory. The ASCII module can then read in that text file, parse the data contained within it, and send the data out as an SMS message or page to mobile devices. The second function of the ASCII module is that it provides a command line interface for other programs to use. Again, if you want to integrate with a server monitoring system like Servers Alive or SolarWinds Orion NPN, programs like these have the ability to issue a command in the event of an alert. When using the ASCII command line function, these programs can pass command messages directly to PageGate, which will then read in the commands and send out an SMS message or page to a mobile device. To do the actual configuration, the first thing you'll want to do is run the PageGate admin. So, go to your Start menu, go to Programs, find the PageGate program group, and left-click on the PageGate admin. Once in the PageGate admin, left-click on the plus sign next to the Interfaces section. Click on the plus sign next to Get ASCII, and then left-click on the Settings word. In the Settings, you have three options: Enabled, Polling Directory, and Polling Interval. The polling directory is a directory that you can specify that PageGate primarily looks in for ASCII files. This is also the directory that provides the command line interface. To set the polling directory, if you don't already have one in mind, we'll need to create it. In Windows, go to your Start menu and left-click on Run. In the Run line, type in the word Explorer and left-click on OK. Once in the Windows Explorer, left-click on the plus sign next to My Computer, then left-click on your C drive. Once in the C drive, go under the File menu, mouse over New, and select Folder. You can name the folder whatever you please, but I'd recommend naming it something straightforward, like ASCII. So, I'm going to type in ASCII. Once you've named the folder, go back into the PageGate admin. In the polling directory, you can either type the path in manually, or you can click on the ellipsis button and browse to the folder, select it, and left-click on OK. After entering the polling directory, put a check in Enabled, and click on Apply. When you do, the program will ask you if you would like this interface to be enabled for all existing groups and recipients. Tell it yes. The last field, Polling Interval, is the number of seconds PageGate waits before checking for new ASCII files and commands. By default, PageGate checks for new data every 5 seconds. You can set this as low as every 1 second, but that's a little overkill for most installations. This concludes the tutorial on how to configure the basic options for the ASCII module. For more tutorials, including how to configure the advanced options for the ASCII module, please visit our website, www.notepage.net.